Spending more time with your sales tools than your customers? Get everything you need to power your sales team on a single intelligent platform with Sales Cloud Unlimited. Let automation guide your selling strategies and capture all customer touchpoints automatically, fueling intelligence throughout your CRM. With built-in end-to-end insights across the sales cycle, get visibility into all business activities. Always know how your forecasting is tracking and why, and understand what deals make up the pipeline. Thanks to one consolidated supercharged view, managing your pipeline is seamless with roll-up KPIs, quick filters, and your own personal AI assistant. Stay on top of all strategic deals and dive in deeper using Deal Health Insights. By having all your sales engagement activities on one platform, you can identify top risk factors and coachable moments, empowering you to proactively coach sales reps before it's too late in the deal cycle. With Conversation Insights, get the view into sales calls that you've been waiting for. Whether it's tackling competitive mentions or pricing objections, you can easily pinpoint key moments and adjust your selling strategy. Making decisions is best done when supported by data. Thankfully, with sales cadences, you can create, iterate, and test outreach strategies. And using embedded dashboards, learn what's working to help close business. Then apply those changes to automated flows, empowering you to improve processes with automation and replicate success to generate more qualified opportunities. Optimization doesn't stop there, though. With hybrid selling and evolving market conditions, flexibility is key for all businesses. Test new processes and build more to align with business goals using sandboxes. And Salesforce is here to help along the way with premier success and 24/7 support to ensure you can maximize your value. Power your sales team and drive productivity on a single platform today and beyond with Sales Cloud Unlimited. Start your journey today.